Hey there, and welcome back to another video of Measure School, teaching you the data-driven way of digital marketing. My name is Julian, and today we are live talking about the new feature in Google Tag Manager that probably slipped by everybody. That is the tag pausing feature. Now, without further ado, let's dive in and take a look at this new feature. So here we are in Google Tag Manager, and this feature was really built for people who want to temporarily pause their tags. That means not deploy them anymore on their website. So in Google Tag Manager, you can go into any tag and for example, this Google Analytics event tag, search event tag, and up here with the three little dots, it opens up a menu, and now we have this new menu point paused. Now if you click this, it will give us a little notice here that this will now be paused. This tag will not be deployed, but only if you actually then publish it again, right? The whole container needs to be published. Now we can obviously also look this up in the preview and debug mode. Now let me just see, this is a form submit. So if we go back to the page and put something in here, we should see that this doesn't fire at all anymore. So right now this works. We can make this a little bit clearer maybe with the Google Analytics page view tag. So we have different triggers attached here, and normally what I would do is actually remove these triggers so they are not deployed anymore, these tags. But now with this new tag pausing feature, we can go ahead and just pause them, save this, refresh our page here, and we see our Google Analytics tag doesn't get deployed anymore. And that is pretty handy. As I said before, this feature was around, I would go ahead and delete or go into the tags here, and as long as it's paused, we need to unpause it. But I would go ahead and go into the triggers and then delete those triggers. Now, the problem with this method is that you actually need to remember which trigger belongs to which tag and then reattach them once you want to unpause them, in a sense. So this is much more convenient. Now, this slipped by a few people here because we actually didn't see anything in the release notes. So this is a new feature that came out, and it was announced by some people on Twitter. Or some people noticed it. So now we have that available. Now, be aware that you will need to, in order to take this really into effect, this pausing feature here, you will need to publish this as a new version to all your users. So this actually really takes effect on your website and is now paused. And to unpause, I already showed you, you need to go in again and then unpause these tags in order to become deployed again, and again publish a version as that best. So this is really a cool, convenient feature. New. It's not really revolutionary. It makes our life in Google Tag Manager a little bit easier. So I think that we should make use of it once we want to pause a tag again. Now, if you want to find out more about best practices inside of Google Tag Manager, this would be a good feature for our video that we did on keeping your Google Tag Manager account clean and usable. I'm gonna link that up below, but also up here, so you can check that video out as well. And that's already it with this little introduction to, or first look at, this new feature of Google Tag Manager. If you like this video, then give us a thumbs up, and as always, subscribe to our channel right over there, because we'll bring you new videos. Let's go here to this. We'll bring you new videos every week like this one, and also live streams. And if you're live, we are ready to answer your questions. Now, my name is Julian. Till next time.